Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to insert YouTube video in PowerPoint. So in this video we will show you step by step all the things so you can do very easily. So first thing first, we are going to open our PowerPoint software. So simply click on this start button and simply search PowerPoint. So whenever you type power, then automatically it will come with PowerPoint. You simply press enter and then you can see your PowerPoint software will open. So here you can see over here lots of templates are available. We are going to simply click on this blank presentation. So now you can see that my blank presentations is created now, and we are going to remove this unused text over here. So now you can see that my blank presentation is created. Now we want to put our YouTube channel over here. So what we will do, we simply click on this insert tab which is available on the top, and then you will find out this option like video option which is available on the right hand top. So we are going to simply click on this video tab, and then you will see online video option. You simply click over here and you will get one pop-up box. So here you can do two things. You can directly embed the video of your YouTube, or you can simply search that video from YouTube. Here we are going to show you step by step of it. So simply search here my channel like Hello Helper, and whenever I search Hello Helper, then you can see lots of videos available in here. You can also search your channel or search your topic which you want to add. So here I am getting these things. You simply select this one and then click on this insert button. So friend, here you will see that my inserting process is going on, and here you will see that my video is inserted. And now we are going to put the another video. You simply click on this insert tab and then again click on this video from PC. You can also add video from your PC over here. Let's see if I have any video, then I can put over here. So that will give you the more idea about it. Okay, so we can here simply put this video over here. So friend, you can see that we have put that video here, right? So by this way you can easily put your offline video like this. And now I'm going to show you how you can embed the video. Okay, so that will give you the perfect idea of it. So here we are going to simply search YouTube. Here we are going to simply search Hello Helper. We are going to click over here. This is my channel, and simply click any video which you want to embed. Like we are going to embed this video, right? You simply click over here.
People who have spent 10-15 years in the market, even they don't know this. Anyone in the market for like 10 years and you have got some
Video, right? You simply pause the video, and then here you will get this share button and this three dot icon. We are going to simply press on this share button, and here you will get this embed option or URL. We simply click on this embed option, and now we are going to paste that file very easily, right? We going to open PowerPoint again, click here insert, then video, then online, and here you can paste that embed code, the URL, simply insert. So friend, by this way you can easily insert your YouTube video from your channel, or you can also insert your offline video over here. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily add YouTube video, and also you can add your offline video. Let's see the output, how this video is showing over here. You simply click on we simply press on 5 key from your keyboard, and here you can see that these two things are available. You simply click on this three dot icon of this play button, and here you can see that my video is playing here. Okay, and now we are going to pause these things and play, mute the thing, and now you can see that this is my offline video. is put it over here. So friend, by this way you can easily put your video over here very easily by this way. So friend, if you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. If maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.